Hey, it's your boy Trey Cross, and I'm back, ready to rock. We are going to dive in chord placement. Chord placement is pretty cool because chord placement is when you really start to play the keys by ear, and it's when you start learning songs on your own. Is when you start to play your bass notes and your right hand starts to fall in place automatically, because now your mind is programmed. When I play this bass note, I normally play this chord. And when I play this bass note, I normally play this chord. So it's pretty cool. So let's dive in. So starting with C. Of course we got the C major scale. So on this, okay, now disclaimer. Chord placement, this is a basic formula, but it's not obsolete, okay? It's not concrete, I should say. With this formula, it's not this is how it always is. This formula is more so this is how it normally is, unless things change, and things do change. But this is the basics, and this is how this is your default, I should say. This is basically a default formula. I'll put it that way. Okay? So, on the 1, you normally play a 1 chord to go along with the 1. Okay? So we're in C, so we're going to play a C major chord. Okay? So, on the 2, we normally play a minor chord. So, in this case, that's going to be D minor or 2 minor. D major, D minor. Okay? Alright, so on the 3, typically play a 1 major chord. Okay? And a lot of times, yeah, so that's basically what it is. So, no matter what, and this, even though I'm in C, remember, the way I teach is, even though I'm in 1 key, this is how it is for all the keys, okay? So you got to go make sure that you go practice, all right? So, on the 4, you usually play a 4 major chord. So in this case, it's going to be, the 4 major chord is F major, all right? And for the 5, when we go to the 5, you normally play a the 5 major chord, which is G major. Okay. Now on 6, you're going to typically play a minor chord, which is going to be the 6th minor chord, which is basically going to be A minor. Okay. All right. Now on the 7, you're basically going to play the 5 major chord. Okay. G major, and on the 1, you're gonna play a 1 chord. Okay. So if you have any concerns, any questions, oh look, also there's a download in the download section. It's a cheat sheet, it's a worksheet, study guide, however you want to view it. Look at that, study it, and get this concept down pat. It's really simple, and once you get it down, it's going to be pretty sweet, because it's going to really allow you to be able to learn songs. When I learned this concept with a combination of the number system and then chord placement, I went from taking a whole hour to learn a song to learning a song in like 5 minutes. So that's pretty much what it is. I'll see you in the next video.